Atlantic Southeast Airlines Flight 2311 cruises at 15,000 feet.
It's the Braves' year. I feel it.
Sorry, I don't want to get my hopes up. Last year, still hurts.
At the controls is Captain Mark Friedline. The 34-year-old is an experienced pilot with almost 12,000 flight hours. The flight attendant prepares the cabin for landing.
Runway's in sight.
The crew is just 5 minutes from touching down.
ASA 2311, cleared direct to Jeff 1. Linco, report the airport in sight. Expect a visual.
We do have it in sight, 2311.
Slowing for approach speed.
The aircraft was normal. There was nothing unexpected.
Gear down.
Gear down. 3 green.
Then, the captain notices an unusual sound.
It's weird. Number 1 seems to be spinning faster. The left is pulling a bit more. Bringing power down to the left.
Captain Friedline tries to compensate for the plane's unexplained pull to the left. Flight 2311 is less than 1,000 feet from the ground, and the plane is getting more and more difficult to control.
What's going on? Can you see anything?
There's nothing.
What's going on with this thing? I can't hold it.
Get out of it!
Can't. Come on!
The plane is rolling to the left, and the crew doesn't know why.
Come on! God! I can't.
Captain Friedline fights desperately to save his plane.
Come on! No! No! That's it. Oh, God.
It's no use.